how I'm spending my last day. I'm waking up, peeking outside of my hotel. I have to sit down and have a fresh cup of watermelon juice and get ready. I'm going on a little tour. They have like a free shuttle that goes to, I think it's called West Bay. So I guess I'll be down there burning all day out in the hot sun. So let's see how it goes. They have the little chocolate factory over here. I think that's who's over there jamming. They might have tours that come over. Ocean. Maybe that's the beach I'm going to. I'm excited. Let me go get ready. Ooh. I don't know why I act like I got time. I've been doing so much. I already packed up my bag, so I don't have too much to do but just to take a shower. I have another fresh cold coconut. Thankfully, we didn't really have to steal it. We were going to, but he asked and the owner said I can have it. Love it. So I got that, and then later I'm going to go take the other one from last night that the guy shaved for me, and he's going to make an ashtray out of it. But I got all my cold beverages, a little dip I'm going to take, and he got me a free lime because I made a mistake and threw my lime away last night. I wanted to make a little video. You put the lime in the coconut. I got so many beverages. Hopefully I can keep it kind of cold or maybe get some ice. We'll see how today goes. I don't know really what to expect, but let's find out. All right, you guys, so I finally finished shaving and taking a shower and trying to get my hair halfway decent. So I have less than 15 minutes to get ready. So I'll see you guys when I'm on the way to West Bay. Wow, okay.
We have there is a pool, and here in the corner you will find the restaurant.
Okay.
If you walk this way, you will find the West Bay Beach.
Okay. Okay, that's the restaurant. The bathroom is over here, I think. Yes. Okay, and she said this way is the beach. Oh, I need to be careful. I'm about to twist my ankle. But I'm carrying this stuff. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get to the beach. I forgot to ask them to cut my coconut for me. I might can find a rock. Let's see. If not, then I'll just have to go back. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I'm scared. This thing is shaky. If I can't get it cut, then I might ask them to cut it. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm so glad I came down here. This is pretty. I don't know if this is part of my hotel sister's resort, but she didn't say anything about it. Oh, they got the jet skis. Whoa, I'm loving it. Okay, so I think I'll keep walking to get to the beach down there. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So glad I came. Oh, this is so cool. It's a, what kind of bird is this? I don't want to scare him. Crane? No, it's not a crane, but it looks something like a crane, a small crane. I'm loving it. Hi. Can you see him? Beautiful day for the beach. I might park myself over here, put my little stuff down here. I might have to go back and ask that guy if he can cut my coconut. Oh, maybe on that rock. Let's see. I need my feet in the water. Look at this gecko over here. I know he runs fast. He looked like he runs fast. Oh, nice. My phone is getting too hot. He's about to eat something in that water. I don't know why I didn't go to the bathroom and change. I need to get a few videos of my outfit and then go change. All right, it's time to go change. All right, now I have to walk all the way back to the bathroom and change. I don't know what I was thinking. Wow. Is this goats? Little baby goats. They sound so cute. Little chicks over there. Oh, wow. This house is so pretty. So fun. All right, let's see if I can find the guy with the saw remodeling the wood walkway and see if he can cut my coconut. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I see a yellow butterfly. Oh, MJ, can you see it? Do you cut coconut? Cut coconut? You can cut? Where? No.
Really? Where are you from?
USA.
USA, but you got our ski.
Oh yeah? Everybody says that.
You from Puerto Rico?
No.
What part of USA? Because I was working in USA. It's like a Spanish. Here, I love it.
They had pineapples and coconut on the beach already, and I didn't know. I just got back, but I already had my own, and I got mine for free. So let's see, where am I going to put my stuff? No, thank you. I'm going to put my bag here. Let me find my straw, you guys. Put my baby down here for a minute. Can we talk for a minute? All right, I'll be right back. Are they trying to do a backflip? Oh my gosh, I was looking in the wrong part the whole time. I knew I had one. Okay, we're back in business. I've been so prepared this trip, I'm proud of myself. What the song say? You put the lime in the coconut. How you do it?
The lime in the coconut?
Yeah, how do you do it? You know how to do it?
Squeeze it in the sweet.
Oh, squeeze it in.
You got your pressure up or something?
Now we have to try the lime in the coconut.
You put the lime in it now?
Yeah, we'll try.
Every piece is going in.
Servicio completo.
Oh yeah, you gotta take care of the ladies. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but you need to have your kids so you can see your future.
I don't know.
Until you get a husband.
I don't want one. This bird is over here. He said mostly everybody out here should be leaving around 1 because they're on a cruise ship. But lucky for me, I flew in, so I'm on my own time. Yeah. So now the bird don't have a lot of water and food to.
Yeah. A lot of fishes up in there. Oh, hold on. I see a gecko. Can you eat these or no?
No.
What is it?
Eat this. You know what is this?
Nope.
It's pretty famous in the U.S.
Really? It's like some kind of nut or something. Another one of those.
You still got water in your coconut?
A little bit.
I'm gonna get that natural straw.
Uh-oh.
In case one day you get lost.
Has salt on it. Mango with salt. Watermelon. I'm gonna have to give me another coconut. Eat some more fruit.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, this is what they call noni leaf, noni tree. This is the fruit, this is the green leaf, and this is the yellow one. Okay, the noni, you could Google it, N-O-N-I. So the yellow leaf is for fever, and the fruit, you can make a wine out of it. You just gotta get a jar, put it in a jar like for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and they're gonna produce their own juice.
Wow.
If you got a headache and stuff, you could use the green leaf. We call this painkiller leaf. You could put the leaf on your feet, on your forehead, or any part of your head, and it's good for your body.
Wow, that's
So
nice.
this one is, they say this is like a medicine that can cure anything. So if you don't believe me, just Google it.
Okay, no need.
This way called a natural straw. This is a natural straw.
Wow, I love it. I love it.
So if this do work, you don't gotta talk to me no more.
Oh my gosh, what's inside of the thing though? What's going to be in here? Ain't no bugs in here.
Nope.
So, hama leaf, is this
are
where
the
this comes
seed.
from?
These are the
Oh,
seed.
wow, nice.
So what we do here on the island, we pop them like this. This one is dry, see? So this is how you get hamon from, but this one is dry, you can notice.
Like it's not ripe yet or something. Crap. Look at this. 1, 2.
Got it?
Oh, wow. Eating a cashew? Cashew fruit? Wow. A natural straw from that plant. Perfect for my coconut. Taking this for my souvenir. Wow. Yeah, what, West Bay, right?
Foster West Bay.
Wow. That's beautiful. The rock house. Gorgeous.
Prickle trees.
Nice. Oh, I need to get some water on my feet. It's so hot. Just let me get some water. Yeah. My life. Free snorkeling down this end. Wow. I don't know if you can see.
This longer.
Oh, so what's the yellow one?
This longer.
Oh, the school of fish right here. Oh wow! And you said that was a.
We're helping those.
All these sardines. Trying this tamarind juice. It almost tastes exactly as I imagined it to taste.
Like it?
I didn't try it yet. You want any? Or you want your own?
Yeah, out of my own. See if you got
Yo.
for you.
Go.
Chicken.
All right, all done with my food. I got a half hour to get back to the meeting point, and oh, got me another juice to go, tamarind juice. All right. Okay. it's about time to say goodbye. I'm making my way back up to the other end of the island at the meeting point. I'm glad I came out here. Basically a free day for me, free to get here with the sister hotel on this part of the island. And just paid, what, about $20 for my food and drink. A beautiful beach. I'm headed over here so I can put my feet in this water. It's hot out here, but not too much. Oh yes, ooh yeah. Ooh. Yes, I love it. I'm just gonna go there. I did want to go there.
Okay, you see the part the sun is shining right now?
Cash that.
No, I mean you to go to the airport.
Oh, okay, $30. All right, guys, I'm about to catch the shuttle back. So this has been it. Oh, look at that bug. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.